Hello, my name is Sean Nario, and this is my submission for Mini-Exam Video 6, Prompt 1. The negative repressible mode of prokaryotic transcriptional regulation is characterized by the transcription and translation of an effector that binds to the repressor regulatory protein in order to prevent transcription of the effector gene. In the absence of the effector, RNA polymerase is able to bind to the promoter region and begin transcription and in turn translation of the genes downstream. This is because the repressor protein does not have the correct shape that enables it to bind to the operator region of the DNA. However, when the effector is present, it is able to bind to the repressor protein, changing its shape, enabling it to bind to the operator region. The repressor protein blocks transcription by preventing RNA polymerase from binding to the promoter region. Here, at the top of the first page, I have illustrated the result of transcription and translation of the repressor gene. The protein, as a result, is inactive, but has an effector binding site that allows it to change shape, becoming active in the presence of the small effector molecule. Moving along to the first scenario, transcription is able to proceed because of the absence of the effector. RNA polymerase is able to bind to the promoter region, transcribing the gene, ultimately resulting in the translation of the effector. Now that the effector is present, it is able to bind to the repressor, activating it by changing its shape. The shape of the new molecule is important because it enables the repressor protein to bind to the DNA at the operator region. Binding to the operator prevents RNA polymerase from binding to the promoter, in turn blocking transcription. Here on the second page, I have my analogy. The following sequence can be interpreted using the key at the top left of the page. Feel free to pause the video to read the roles of each of the characters. Ash Ketchum wants to travel down Route 2 to Viridian City in order to challenge current gym leader and former Team Rocket leader Giovanni. However, his rival Gary beat him to it, defeating gym leader Giovanni. In his rage, Giovanni sends his iconic talking Meowth to Jesse and James, two of his most trusted thugs. However, Jesse and James and Meowth make up the new Team Rocket. With the plan sent with Meowth to block off Route 2, Ash is now unable to challenge the gym leader. In this scenario, Gary and Ash represent RNA polymerases 1 and 2. Route 2 represents the promoter region. Defeating the gym leader represents transcription. Meowth is the effector, with Jesse and James acting as the inactive repressor protein. Together, they represent the activated repressor. The plants sent with Meowth to block Route 2 represent the operator region. If Ash had gotten there first, Meowth would not have been sent yet, enabling him to challenge the gym leader, or in other words, complete transcription. Here are my sources. Thank you.